they will just put the picture on their churches. And that started the images of the Station of the Cross, but initially in the Franciscan churches. And then, after 1731, when Pope Clement, it was allowed not only within the Franciscan churches, but also in other churches. So, lumawak na. Pati yung ibang simbahan, nagkaroon na ng mga Station of the Cross. And that explains why, even as here in Japan, we have Station of the Cross. No? How many Station of the Cross we have here? 14, no? Pwede na mabasa nyo, 14, no? Okay, no? 14 ba? Sigurado kayo? Ha?
14, Father. Sure.
Bahala kayo.
Nabag na ba?
Ngayon, question.
7-7-14.
These all events that happened, Passion, Death, and Resurrection of Jesus. Question, are all these come from the Bible?
Yes.
Lahat ba ng ito galing sa Biblia?
Yes.
Ano po sagot nyo? Yes or no?
Yes.
No. Sino nagtataas ng yes? Taas ang kamay. Those who are saying all these images are scriptural from the scripture, raise your hand. Yes. Those who are saying no. No.
Si sister. Si sister sabi no.
Mga Pilipino pa tayo walang pakialam. So, nalimutan naman ang question. Are they scripturally the source God coming from the scripture? Yes or no?
No na lang.
Sige tayo, baby. Let's see, tingnan natin. Taas ang kamay. Those are saying these are all from the scripture, raise your hands. Yes.
Gagaya kami kay sister.
No, kay sister tayo.
Sige na nga, sabihin ko na sa ito. The answer is,
No.
are these all images come from the scripture? The answer
yes.
is no.
No. Di ba tama si sister?
Paano kayo? Grabe sumagot eh.
It's
So,
not.
these all images, you might be surprised that how come all this does not come from the scripture. What I mean is, you will get it exactly written in the scripture, all these verses. So it means that not all of this would come direct from the scripture. Sige, let's isa-isahin po natin. Nasa yung first station? Where's the first station? Sabi nila.
Doon daw. From the right to the left. Over there.
The first station
Yes, from the right.
Kasi wala number eh. Kaya mahirapan kayo. That is the first one.
Cute kasi
And
yung
what is the first station?
space.
Jesus was condemned to death. Is that scripturally based? Yes or no?
Yes.
That comes from the scripture. Second, Jesus carries the cross. Nakita niyo po, yung pangalawa? Scripturally, from the scripture or not? Yes. Sigurado kayo. Ang gulo niyo kausap. That is,
He already said no, right?
you can find it in John chapter 19. Third, Jesus falls for the first time.
Yes.
From the scripture or not? You cannot find it in the scripture.
I
Wala
know.
kayo nagbasa sa Biblia na si Jesus ay nadapa ng unang pagkakataon.
Wala.
Si Jesus ay nadapa sa pasyon, pero not in the Bible.
Not in
So
the
if
Bible.
it's not in the Bible, what's that? Where does it came from? From tradition.
Tradition.